Today I want to talk to you briefly about the frequency of light.
Light consists of vibration patterns, and you can make these audible with this small device that has a tiny light sensor which translates it into sound. Let's step inside for a moment so we don't have the noise of birds and the wind.
I want to let you hear the sound of the sun. There we have the sun. We aim the device at it, and we switch it on
and off. As you can hear, there is total silence. A subtle background sound exists, but there are no unpleasant noises at all. Light as nature designed it, light as it is meant to be. So, what is the sound that emanates from different kinds of lamps? Let's take a look at a few lamps in my house. Let's listen to the sound of a light bulb. And this alarm clock. Many have one.
Did you know that the light from your alarm clock radio has a specific frequency as well? The light that shines into the bedroom all night long interferes with hormonal processes and lowers the quality of sleep. Plus, what do you think about your smoke detector that has a light that stays on both day and night?
The light from the smoke detector gives off a specific frequency that beams at you throughout the night while you're in the same room. Well, I am of course very curious, what is the sound of a photon for health lamp? Let's measure it.
As you can hear, it's that calm sound. Because light needs to be soothing, restorative.
Do you recall the sun's sound? Interesting, right? This shows that not all lights are created equal, and a quality photon lamp can significantly aid in improving your overall health, while unhealthy lighting can deteriorate your health. So every now and then, make sure to unwind and enjoy your photon for health lamp. To up the biophotons in your cells, which will improve your body's natural healing capacity with quality light, which aids in enhancing your health. Hey, that's nice.
Calm. It's not just nice, but calming too.